Good morning,
Morning,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning.
कैसा लगा?
कैसा लगा?
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, ma'am.
याद दिलाना। Good morning, children.
Good morning, ma'am.
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 Good morning, ma'am. Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, ma'am.
Recording in progress.
Revised or gone through the lesson पढ़े थे कल आप लोग?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
This chapter, this weather, climate and its adaptation chapter. Did you all read? आप लोग read?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
थे? Okay, तो क्या कंक्लूड किया है अभी तक के टॉपिक में कि वेदर इज अ चेंजेबल एलिमेंट, changes day to day and factors. बहुत सारा factors है जो this was the topic. So what are those weather elements?
Temperature, humidity, cloudiness,
Temperature,
humidity,
and wind.
Temperature, humidity, and
wind, cloudiness, precipitation,
atmospheric pressure. All these is, yes, these are the
Ma'am, you are not audible.
that
Ma'am, your sound is not clear. Your sound is not clear.
Yes, ma'am.
these 5-6 factors are there which gives an impact on the weather.
Ma'am,
So
actually,
let us come to the.
excuse me, ma'am.
My voice is not coming. Huh?
No, ma'am, your voice is not clear.
Yes, ma'am, your voice is not coming.
Ma'am, but now it is clear.
It will come, children. थोड़ा सा दूर रखने से हो जाता है. So today we will discuss the climate.
The climate.
What factors and how does the climate that we will see and
Your voice is not coming.
it will come to the blackboard. Just wait.
Ma'am, you are not audible.
Ma'am, your voice.
Ma'am, you are not audible.
Children, wait. रुक जाओ, थोड़ा रुक जाओ. I am on the blackboard. Now, today we will discuss this topic, climate. So when we talk about climate, we can say that does a climate change in one day? एक दिन में climate क्या बदल सकता है?
No, ma'am.
No, ma'am.
Then what can we say about climate? Climate के बारे में हम लोग क्या कह सकते हैं? It is
Ma'am,
a
climate-
weather in a particular thing. But जब एक ही तरह का weather
Ma'am, climate is average weather in pattern over a long period.
persist करता है the who is talking? You should not talk. Ashish, Sweetie, just mute your mic. Okay. So what was the topic? That if we are talking about climate, then this weather changes day to day that will give an impact on the changing of the climate. And if the similar type of weather persists for so many days, बहुत दिन तक अगर same तरह का ये persist कर रहा है, then that will show a particular.
Ma'am, you are not audible.
Ma'am, you are not audible.
Ma'am, you are not audible.
I will speak, then only I will audible, be audible. ना जब हम बंद हो, children, sometimes you just wait and don't be just. So I was telling that weather is the climate is the average of a weather in a particular period. So we can experience different types of climate first. So first of all, dry climate or cold climate. दो तरह का climate हो सकता है, चाहे तो dry climate होगा या cold climate. So the climate is also very much useful for weather forecasting. अगर मान लो किसी एक particular region में एक तरह का means experience of the climate is there, then we can forecast about the weather also, that यहाँ पर अभी divided into different zones. We can compare it. How we can compare? Because there are the climate of India can be divided into several zones. What are those zones? There are 4 zones, and they are alpine zone, subtropical zone, tropical zone, and arid zone. 4 zone है. That is the whole country is divided into this type of category, that is alpine zone, subtropical zone, then tropical zone and arid zone. So this alpine zone is experienced in the Himalayas on the high altitude, because in this zone the snow is throughout the year. पूरे साल वहाँ snow होता है. So this is the alpine zone. Then comes your subtropical zone. In this zone, summers are hot and wet, and winters the temperature may drop even close to the freezing point of water. Means extreme temperature of hotness and coldness is experienced in subtropical zone. And here you can see that in the subtropical zone, which all states fall in this subtropical zone. आप देख लो, यहाँ पर आपका एक की बॉक्स भी बुक में दिया हुआ है. So humid subtropical zone, you can see some parts of Maharashtra, Orissa, then West Bengal. These all are in the humid subtropical zone. Then after that comes your tropical zone. Here what we experience in the tropical zone, it can be divided into 2, tropical wet and tropical dry monsoon zone. And in this zone we have got, in the tropical zone, tropical wet, it is your Uttar Pradesh, Bihar, and tropical wet and dry, both is experienced over there in the some parts of, you can say, tropical wet and dry. We can say बिहार, झारखंड, ये इसी तरह का कैटेगरी में आता है हम लोग का भी ये. और एरिड जोन में एक्सट्रीम टेम्परेचर ऑफ, you can say, high temperature, that is Rajasthan. Rajasthan experiences a very high temperature, and that is 250 degrees centigrade. Then when we are talking about And this Rajasthan falls in the arid zone. So the whole country can be divided according to the climatic factors, according to the climatic changes, and we can compare. Then after that, and what are the factors which affects it? The factors which are affecting it is your all the elements, weather elements that we have studied before. Now, after that, come to climate and adaptation. Now, what is adaptation? Adaptation क्या होता है?
Ma'am, special features that help
Are
an
you all there,
organism
children?
to survive in
Ma'am,
its
special features.
environment. Special features that help an organism to survive in its environment.
Yes, yes. Yes, very good. A special features that help the organism to survive in a particular region. Now, children, as we have been here produced in this nature or in this environment, so God has also provided a special features, a special characteristic, a special body parts, so that we can survive in the extreme condition. And it is not only the human beings, but the animals and the trees, plants, they also have got special feature to get suited in a particular environment. So if we will talk about adaptation, then we can, if we just want to define it, then we can say that adaptation is a trait that makes an animal suited to its environment. जिस तरह उसके पास एक स्पेशल फीचर होता है, एक कहोगे एक कैरेक्टरिस्टिक होता है that can make the animal live in that environment, and divided into two categories. दो कैटेगरी में adaptation को divide किया गया. What are those two categories? Behavioral adaptation and structural adaptation. Now, what is this behavioral adaptation? Behavioral adaptation is that some animals, they have got like we are social animals. In the same way, some animals have got the behavior to move in groups. Then, like elephants, they move in groups. Then, structural adaptation, we can take the example of that there is a, what is the structure present in the polar bear? They have got a thick fur, a coat on their body to protect from the extreme condition of coldness. Pardon?
Ma'am, your voice is not
This
coming.
thick fur or coat provides external support. Now the thick fur or coat is just protects the animal from extreme condition of just in the way they are made. That is why. Now, are it easy with audible to you?
Ma'am, but not clearly.
Yes, ma'am.
Clear नहीं आ रही है.
हम cracking करके आ रही है आपकी voice.
Yes, ma'am.
After, what does the special feature the polar bear is having? The polar bear is having, and it is surviving on the poles.
Ma'am, your sound is not coming.
Ma'am, you are not audible.
Ma'am, you are muted.
Ma'am,
Ma'am, you are mute.
Ma'am, you are muted.
Those poles are North Pole and South Pole, and they are also known as frigid zone. ये किस तरह का zone कहलाता है? Frigid zone कहलाता है. ठीक है?
Yes,
Okay.
ma'am.
Then after that, in this frigid zone, which of the countries on the
Ma'am, Antarctica.
Ma'am,
in this
ma'am, Arctic.
Ma'am,
Antarctica.
Antarctica.
these are not the countries, बेटा. ये countries नहीं है. Arctic Ocean.
Ma'am,
and
these are
Antarctica.
continents.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, ocean continent.
I'm talking about the ocean. And then
Ma'am, United States,
countries.
Greenland, Sweden, Finland, Norway, Russia,
Ma'am, Canada, Greenland,
Finland,
Sweden,
Alaska, Canada, Greenland,
Florida, Russia,
Norway, and Russia.
Yes.
Siberian regions.
These are the part of this South Pole and North Pole where we experience the temperature of -80 degree, which is 89 degree, which is recorded in Antarctica, and in the Arctic, it is average temperature of -30 degree. So you just imagine that in the minus state, it is so high, and then the coldness will be in the extreme condition. Then which are the these animals which are surviving?
Ma'am, polar bear.
Ma'am, polar bears, ma'am, penguins and polar bears.
Reindeer, seal, whale, and walrus. These are the animals which are surviving in this extreme condition. And in winter, the sea surrounding Antarctic freeze into solid snow that covers an area almost as big as continent itself. So you just see there is a large area which is having this ice, and they at the poles the sun shines for half of the year, and half of the year it is dark. And in that extreme condition also, if the sun will not shine, children, what will happen? That portion will not
We
receive.
could not survive.
That portion will not receive warmth. वहां पर कोई warmth नहीं होगा, इसलिए वहां पर survive करना इस extreme condition में, it is just for those animals only which are protected by the nature. Nature से जो protected है physically, they can only survive over. Then adaptation by animals of polar region. What are the adaptation? What are the physical structures? What are the structures which help them to survive in this extreme condition?
Ma'am, they have a thick
They have-
fur. Ma'am, they have thick fur coat. Ma'am, the polar bear has thick fur coat.
That their body warm up to 37 degrees centigrade. Or the hide, tough hide under the layer of this fur, that is also behaving like a insulating layer, and that is known as blubber. This excellent insulation keeps the polar bear warm, and when air temperature drops to -37 degrees centigrade. Then polar bear can close its nostril while swimming. This is also a characteristic feature when it is in water, and polar bear front paws propel it to swim through the water. It acts like the hind feet. The hind feet and legs are held flat and are used as rudders. What does the rudder do? Rudder का मतलब क्या हुआ? The rudders are all those we use it in the boat. जो sailing में use करते हैं, तो वो क्या करता है, वाटर को कट करता है और तब उसके मदद से हम लोग आगे बढ़ सकते हैं. The same thing is being done by the polar bears through their hind feet and legs, as it is flat. Then the penguin has got feathers that are extremely densely packed and there is no gaps. Then these feathers can each feather have an extra part behind it so that they can fluff their feathers up, and this keeps them warm in cold and allows them to cool off when the weather is warm. Penguins do not have air spaces in their body, in their bones, and that is why it cannot fly. Their penguins are birds, but they cannot fly. But they can help, that helps them to sink in water. Now you might be imagining that where is the water over there if all the time there is snow? Children, the water is frozen from the upper part, but at the lower part it is in the liquid state. So whenever some sunshine comes, they melt, and then these birds can survive over there. Then they have a layer of blubber, which is a fat beneath their skin, which helps them to stay warm, and the streamlined body and paddle-like feet help them to swim under water. और यही paddle-like feet or streamlined bodies, why it is known as streamlined? Streamlined का मतलब क्या हुआ? Birds have streamlined body. Fishes have streamlined body. What is the meaning of a streamline? आप इसका स्ट्रक्चर थोड़ा इमेजिन करो. Tapering from, pointed from the front also and pointed from back also. Birds का structure आगे से भी pointed होता है और पीछे से भी pointed होता है. Just to cut the air, fly in the sky like aeroplane.
Streamline body
like
is a
fishes.
shape that decrease the friction drag between a fluid.
बात नहीं करिए. अभी क्या? Mic on करके बात नहीं करना है. So here what we can say that streamlined bodies are a special feature present in the birds, the fishes, which is pointed from front and back, and that makes them fly in the air. It doesn't matter penguin का body structure इस तरह का बना होता है, hollow bones नहीं होता है. That is why it cannot fly, it can only swim in the water, sink in the water. So children, any question till here? यहाँ तक कोई question है आप लोग को?
No,
No,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Ma'am, what is blubber?
Blubbers are fat, a layer of fat that gives them warmth. वो लोग को warmth देता है, which is present in the polar bear also and in the penguin also.
Okay, ma'am.
Warmth, extra protection to survive in the this extreme condition of temperature.
Ma'am, to stay warm.
Yes, to stay warm, the fat layer is there. Extra protection of fat is there, and that helps them to stay warm. वो warm रखने में उसको मदद करता है. ठीक है? So children, if it is clear, one of you please read it. This topic.
Ma'am, can I Riddhima?
Shivam Raj.
Ma'am, can I Riddhima?
Ma'am, can I
Riddhima? Ma'am, can I Riddhima?
Can I
Ma'am, Riddhima?
Can I ask you? Ma'am, can I?
Ashley, you start.
Ma'am, Riddhima? Ma'am, Riddhima, can I read?
Weather.
Ma'am, can I read?
Ashley,
Can I
don't forget.
Ankodanan?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. Weather, climate, and
Can
adaptation
I
of
Ankodanan?
Ankur,
Weather
okay.
view.
You start.
Ma'am, can I
I'm from
Riddhima?
climate and adaptation. Ma'am, from climate and adaptation.
No, from climate.
Climate. Climate is the average weather in a particular region over a long period of time. The word climate comes from the Greek word klima, referring to the inclination of the sun. Climate is not the same as weather. It is the average pattern of weather for a particular region. A place that usually does not get much rain over a year would be said to have a dry climate. A place where it usually stays cold for most of the year would be said to have a cold climate. Climate is useful for weather forecasting. It also helps in determining the best time for the farmers to plant their crops. It is helpful for us to plan a vacation. Climate is usually described in the terms of the familiar elements of the weather. Temperature and precipitation are its two essential indicators. The other important indicators of the climate include sunshine, wind, cloud cover, atmospheric pressure, and humidity. When these elements are measured systematically at a given site over a period of several years, we eventually accumulate a record of observations from which we can construct an accurate summary of the climate of that region.
Next, आगे start करिए.
And arid zones. Let's discuss them one by one. Alpine zone. This climate zone can be experienced at high altitudes of the Himalayas. In this zone, we have snow throughout the year. Subtropical zone. This zone is prevalent in most of the northern part of India. Here, summers are hot and wet. In winter, the temperature may drop down even close to the freezing point of water in the regions of higher ranges. Rainfall is quite common in summer season, whereas winters are usually cold and dry. Tropical zone. It can be divided into two subtypes, the tropical wet and the tropical dry monsoon zones. In the tropical wet monsoon zone, the average temperature normally does not fall below 18 degrees Celsius and it is accompanied by rainfall. In tropical dry monsoon zone, the rainfall is not so common. Arid zone. High temperature and low rainfall are the two main marked features of this climatic zone. It is prevalent in western part of the country and includes a large part of Rajasthan. The temperature in this zone may shoot up to as high as 50 degrees Celsius in summer. Climate and adaptation. Climate of a region affects all organisms living in it with constant changes in their environment, food chain, and climate. Animals must adapt themselves to these changes or face extinction. Adaptation is a trait that makes an animal suited to its environment. It can be behavioral or structural trait. Here are some examples. Moving in a large group is a behavioral adaptation. It helps protect the members of the group from predators. The thick fur coat of polar bear is structural adaptation. It helps to protect it against the cold weather. Adaptations usually occur over a long period of time. We shall now talk about the adaptations of animals living in polar regions and tropical rainforests. The polar regions. Polar regions are the areas of the globe surrounding the poles. The North Pole these regions resting respectively on the Arctic Ocean and the continent of Antarctica are dominated by the polar ice caps. United States, Canada, Greenland, Sweden, Finland, Norway, and Russia are some countries that have some of their parts in this region. These regions are very cold. The coldest temperature ever known on the earth is minus 89 degrees Celsius was recorded in Antarctica. The average winter temperature in the Arctic is about minus 30 degrees Celsius. In winter, the seas surrounding Antarctica freeze into solid snow that covers an area almost as big as the continent itself. At the poles, the sun shines for half of the year and it is dark for the half of the other half of the year. Polar bear, penguin, reindeer, seal, whale, and walrus are some animals found in such regions. Let us survive in such regions having such and extreme conditions. Adaptation by animals of the polar regions. Polar bears have white fur so that they are not easily visible in the snowy white background. The bears, which is normally 37 degrees Celsius, is maintained through a thick layer of fur, a, a tough hide, and an insulating layer of blubber. This excellent insulations keep a polar bear warm even when air temperatures drop to minus 37 degrees Celsius. Polar bears are so well insulated that they tend to get overheated. They move slowly and rest often to cool down on warm days or after physical activity. Polar bear can close its nostrils while swimming underwater. A polar bear's front paws propel it through water for swimming. The hind feet and legs are held flat, are used as rudders. Another animal well adapted to the polar regions is the penguin. Penguins have feathers that are extremely densely packed with no gaps between them. This gives them good protection against cold. Each feather has an extra part behind it so that they can fluff their feathers up. This keeps them warm in cold and allows them to cool off when the weather is warm. Penguins do not have air spaces in the bones and as normal birds have. This helps them to sink in water. They have a layer of blubber fat beneath their skin which helps them to stay warm. A
Okay, children. Completed?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Then you will read once again and you will note down the important adaptations of the characteristic or important adaptation of the polar bear according to the climate and learn about these definitions. The adaptation, behavioral, structural, and actually you will read it once again. All of you will yourself read it and then we will discuss in the next class. Clear? Okay. Thank you, all of you.
Okay, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am. Have a
Thank you,
nice
ma'am.
day.
Have a nice day.
Ma'am, have a nice day.
Thank you,
Bye,
ma'am.
Bye, ma'am.
Ma'am, you are muted.